What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So today I have another IPSY Glam bag reveal. I've took it out of the packaging, but I have not opened it. So this is January's bag. It is so pretty. And this is my birthday month too. My birthday's the 27th. Not a fan of getting old, but I love the bag. So let's see what we have here. We have Tarte Ultra Creamy Shape Tape Concealer. So cute, so small. And then I got another brush this month. And then I got some Sun Kissed Glow by Maldives, however you say that. They've always got such pretty packaging. And then I got some, I think this is facial cleaner from Tatcha. And then I got 2 sheet masks. One is a multivitamin. And then the other is hyaluronic acid sheet mask. I will be doing one of these tonight, so stay tuned for that. I'll make a review on that. And then we have this card that says Happy Vibes. This month and year, make time for things that make you smile. Soft Pastel Shadows, your fave podcast, DIY manis. When you invest in bliss, the world becomes a brighter place. And then it says January 2022. And then it's just got a happy sheet, cheat sheet for your skin. So I'll post a picture of that at the end. And then next month will be another Glam Box X. So stay tuned for that. And if there's anything else y'all want to see me do, or reviews or anything like that, drop me a comment. I know my channel's very small. I've only got like 13 subscribers on here. So I'm going to keep posting and try to grow my channel. So share it, like it, subscribe, and I'll post pictures of all this at the end. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.